So now I'm done. I'm getting close to getting done with this fence. I extended this fence. Was over there to the right about where that spa was, or those wire fencing thing is. Over here, and then here you can see over here, this is the fence that's being replaced. Like something you'd see at a hillbilly yard. It's all falling apart. So this is definitely overdue. So I'm going to extend the fence to the corner there. Then we're going to put a block wall on the back fence. So we're going to replace this back fence with a block wall next week. And when I go out in the alley and show you the fence from the alley, become apparent why. So the install of the block wall will take 2 days. So we need to put up a temporary makeshift fence. Keep the dogs inside the yard while they're working on it. So the first day they're going to demo the fence, probably pour a footing. Next day they put up the block wall, and about a week later they'll put in a gate. I'm going to lower those two sprinkler heads right there, get them right to the ground, so it won't impair with the gate swinging here, because the gate will be in this area right here. So here you can see this fence, as it both on the neighbor's side there, drifts inward there. It really should be aligned with this post that's right. That post right there is beyond that white paint thing there, where that cat's claw is. That's more of a better alignment for the fence on this alley. So I'm going to align the post, concrete post on my side with that. And then here you can see this fence drifts inward. It's leaning too also, but it drifts inward. So again, when we put the block wall in, it's probably going to go out about another 3 or 4 inches. At one point I was considering replacing this fence one section at a time, but that's a lot of work. So this block wall plus some block wall work in the front will be $5,000. Money well spent. So they're coming tomorrow to take out this fence, and then they'll put the block wall next day. So what I'm going to do beforehand is cut these horizontal boards that are securing the fence to the post on each end before they come. Use my reciprocating sawzall. Piece of cake. Last one up here.